Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and this is the stand of Benimar, and I'm going to show you this vehicle around here, which is the M, stands for Mileo 268, and so this costs, there's the price, 739 centimeters long by 230 centimeters wide. We'll have a quick look at it, and then we'll have a look at the sign, see its plus points, see if we missed anything out. Drop down bed, got a very long kitchen unit here. Actually, 3 burners. There's a sink somewhere. Where's the sink? It's hidden. It's under this lot. Got a cabinet. It's very nice kitchen block, I'd have to say. Over here we've got this tower fridge, and there's a bit of storage up here, and in here we have got the toilet sink, also very nicely appointed. Let's come over here. Oh, it's got an ALDE, look at that, ALDE heating system, it says there. Shower, also nice. It's not bad this at all, really. German layout at the back. We can make a really big bed here if we're so inclined, and in here we'll find there's a bit of storage. And is that the light? No, it's the light for elsewhere. And oh, the lights come on anyway. And in the other side we have got drawers. There's steps up to the bed here, and you can of course extend this out like that. Comes out like, oh, you see that? It's come out like that. That comes down here, and that will get stuck in there somewhere, something like that, right? Well, actually, you could do it nice and neater, but you get the general impression. At the back, we've got some storage. We've got a mirror. We've got a window in the roof, and we've got windows at either side as well. There's a quick look at the vehicle. Front, face to face with a large table. I say large, and there it is. There's the large table, so you can see how big it is. It says here, makes fuss of the ALDE, the king of comfort, people walking in bare feet in their van. I always walk bare feet in my van, irrespective of the season. Did I show you this fridge? I can't remember. I think I did. Oh yes, I did. You've seen it twice now. If you want to see it a third time, write it down below you'd like to see it a third time, and I'll show it to you a third time. Alright, here we go. There's a garage, lots of space in here as well. You see these things here, these thermal screens, don't buy them, they're useless. And right, now let's come back over to the sign. Let's have a look at some of the highlights. It's got a new XL door. It doesn't look any XL to me. Looks the same size that I had before. It has a large seating area. Well, I wouldn't say it's got a large seating area. Electrical two-person drop-down bed. Yeah, okay, if you're thin you might fit in there. 2 of you fit in there. It's got a 3-flame cooker with electrical ignition. Yeah, that's true. And the profiled kitchens. New 150 compressor fridge. Oh, I don't think all this is new actually. Anyway, there you go. M268, 84,000 euros. Let's have a look at it from the front. Hope you found that interesting. I've actually done the entire Benimar range, so if you'd like to see more, then either subscribe or you can find it by doing a search on this site. For the moment, thanks for watching, and bye for now.